Students and parents ask this question all the time. What's the first step to plan for college? Is it test prep or college visits or community service? It's none of those things. It's knowing the rules of the game. At Scholar Ready, we prepare students for the PSAT, SAT, and ACT. We also help students with math, reading, and writing skills. I'm Miss Jennifer, and I'm excited about Scholar Ready's current students and alumni. Visit scholarready.com to learn more. The alumna I'm most excited about is myself. I graduated from college with only $1,000 in student loans, and I came to understand that I was weird because my friends and family members who attended college around the time I attended college graduated and owed tens of thousands of student loans. I was able to graduate with $1,000 in student loan debt. And by the way, the $1,000 was not related to education. I bought plane tickets with the $1,000, but forgetting the loan with the the non-educational purposes, I actually was able to work part-time during the summers and during the semesters, and that allowed me to pay for my housing and my meals. My scholarships allowed me to pay for my tuition and fees at the University of Oklahoma. And there are three things that I attribute to my scholarships. Number one, my persistence. Number two, my test taking abilities. My test scores are really good. And number three, my essay writing skills. Every essay that I wrote, I poured my all into it. And I decided to start Scholar Ready because I thought that I could use some of the things that I had learned as a college student to help my students to be able to avoid the fate of student loan debt. And one of the biggest threats to my student success in today's environment, I've done this for 16 years, and one of the biggest threats that I've seen with this current group of students is that they cannot comprehend what they read. At Scholar Ready, we model reading strategies for students, use reading strategies with students, and then let the students independently employ these reading strategies.